guys, welcome back to another video. Today I spent quite some time putting all my dragons in order from biggest to smallest, and so I might say where they're from and stuff, but let's get to the video. So first up, we have a small pink dragon named Kinkajou. I, by the way, named all of these. They didn't have names when I first got them. So yeah, she's kind of like a bat dragon type thing. Next up, we have a tiny crystal dragon named Tulip. I got her from a 3D printed dragon advent calendar, which, by the way, if you haven't already, next year you should get one. Next dragon, we have Cheddar, which is a Triceratops instead of a dragon, but he was cool, so I bought him anyway at the mall. Yeah. I forgot how much it was. Alright. This one is named Navy, and like navy blue, and my sister gave him to me. And so yeah. This one is another crystal dragon, except shorter, stubbier, a little bit chubbier, and pink. Also, I got a few duplicates of this one, so look, this was a long time ago, so I wrote along it with a pen. Next up we have Moons. When you look at this one, you probably say, oh, that's barely even a dragon, it's just a bunch of clumps. But if you look really carefully, it's actually made of moons and feathers. And then, almost the same size, I got her from the same place as I got Moon. This is Phoenix, the fire dragon. Before I got her, my sister got her, and I was just so jealous, and I finally found her. Then again, there's a bunch of different sizes. This one's name is Glory. She's a rainbow crystal dragon, and there's going to be a lot of crystal dragons in this video because they're really common. This is Scorch. I took him on vacation to show my friend Eden just, today. Actually, we got home today. And he's very flexible. He's my only dragon that can open its mouth and close its mouth. He also has openable wings. And I got it for my birthday. And then this is Lemon, a Triceratops dragon type thing. My friend Eleanor gave it to me. Shout out to Eleanor and everyone else I mentioned who gave me them. She traded it with me for literally an empty binder. Next we have Flutter, one of my favorites. I got her from, it was either New York or Boston. But she's really pretty. Her tail can open up. Her wings can open up. My friend and I counted, and she has like 12 or something hidden wings on her body. Next, we got Autumn. She's like a leaf dragon looking thing with autumn colors. And so I got her from, I think it's like some sort of craft celebration next to McDonald's. I don't know. This is Angel. I got for her from Christmas, but you would probably think, oh, just another crystal dragon, move on now. But this one glows in the dark. This one is named Vulcan. She's special because she has glass eyes. And she looks like, what you think of when you think of dragon. I got her from the cottage and Williamstown. I think that's what it's called, right? Okay. This one's called Turquoise. Forget where. No, my friend got it. I think her name is McKinley. This is Abyss, a snake. I have more snakes and crystal dragons and stuff, but I didn't want to make the video too long. This one has purple and pink glass eyes. And then we have Sunny. This is a common one. You can find it at stores and stuff. It's, not rare. And what I mean by rare or common is this one named Khepri. You can't just look up 3D printed dragon and hope you find one. They're pretty hard to get, some of these. But unlike her, usually you can get 3D printed dragons from Walmart, but this one isn't even 3D printed at all, just plastic. This is Toxin. They come in little surprise blind bags type stuff, and I have 2 of them. Then you probably have seen this type. It's like an Asian dragon or a Chinese dragon, New Year's dragon. This is Ryu. I looked it up. It's an Asian dragon name. Let's move on. This is Snowy, the second or third. I got the second and third at the same time, so this is technically my second. This is Snowy, and I got her for Easter. Then I was about to name her Fungus, but then it just doesn't sound that cool. So even though this is a type of tree, I named her Sequoia. It's just such a fun name. Sequoia just sounds pretty. And then right after I got Sequoia, I got Misha, also from the same store as I got Vulcan and Abyss. She's really pretty because she's a rainbow. And then we got a really big one of the longest, technically considered average sized dragon that I have. This is Argent, which I think is either Latin for money, right? And so yeah, my friend Jacoby gave him to me because they didn't want him. But and then my sister also gave me this one. Yeah, my sister buys me a lot of this thing because she collects them too, and she knows how special they are to some people. So yeah, that's our Trino. And then for my birthday, I got this pretty big one. You need 2 hands to hold. You need 2 hands to hold all of them, but this one's really big. I'm gonna put it back. I want to think of a better name soon enough. This is Komodo. My sister also got me this one, and when my sister bought it, she said the owner said that it was half peacock. Well, actually 1/3 peacock, 1/3 griffin, and 1/3 dragon. Because you can make your own 3D printed things if you have a 3D printer, and you can make it your own design. I got this one from Whitney's Farm, I believe, on Halloween or something, I don't know. And it's just a giant snake, and his name is Scale because I was running out of names back then, and I wasn't as creative. And then this is Titan, because I thought he would be the only quote-unquote Titanic dragon that I have. I got him for Easter. And then, oh boy, we have, well, I really hope this thing doesn't break. Look how big this thing is. This is Thorn because she has 142 thorns. Yes, I counted. I got her yesterday, I think. She is so big. The reason why she doesn't have any arms, see the hole there, is because they were meant to click on, but they just wouldn't click on. And we tried the thing where you put them together. We tried all the techniques or whatever. So don't think you said. So don't go in the comments being like, you did it wrong. We need to glue it. And so yeah, those are my biggest 3 printed dragons. And also over here, we have the dragons that I didn't include in the tutorial because they were either the same size or just duplicates. This is the duplicate of the other one that I had to write with pen, named Petals, I'm pretty sure. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment down which one was your favorite.